Okay guys, today we're gonna upgrade these rear brakes and they need to be replacing, so we're gonna replace the rotors. The rotors are good, I don't have to replace them, but we're gonna put better rotors on here for better braking, and the pads are low. We're gonna replace the pads. So I already got the vehicle jacked up, jack stand. So let's pop the cap off, let's get started. A telltale sign of rear-worn brakes or brake pads is the top of the brake pedal has to travel a lot farther to brake the vehicle than normal. The top of that pedal controls the rear brakes, so when the top of the pedal is not as firm as it once was, you can rest assured you need some rear brake pads like this vehicle, unless you have a leak in the rear line somewhere. The caliper bracket takes an 18mm socket. You're going to need a breaker bar because that bolt has thread lock on it. Okay guys, here's the new rotor. Make sure you got the right side. Rear passenger. We got to clean the surface of the rotor. Some brake clean. They come from the factory with a little film or dirt on them. You don't have to, but recommend it. Okay, here's the brake pads, guys. If you don't got any kind of brake grease, I'll be using this. You can buy this for about $1.49 a pack. I'm gonna put it on all the contact spots. So the pad with the metal clip here, with the low indicator, this is for low pad indicator. You go to squealing. This goes to the back side of the rotor. This goes to the front. Okay guys, we're gonna torque these down to 122 foot-pounds. 122 foot-pounds for the caliper bracket on this single piston setup. And the caliper itself is 28 foot-pounds. 28 foot-pounds. So we're gonna put the tire back on, pump the brakes, and it's a wrap for this. Guys, this is a great time to put some anti-seize on the threads, so you don't have to worry about the lugs ever getting stuck on again. I do it to all of my vehicles. I've had this vehicle for about 4 months, so this is the first time I'm messing with the back. I did the front already. Gotta put much, just a little bit. A little goes a long way with this stuff. Before we close the video out, here's a quick look at the driver's side. Don't forget to put the rotors on the correct way. Alright guys, it's a wrap for this job. I'm going to do the other side in a second. I'm not going to film. I just want to show this. Don't forget to pump the brakes, guys, before you even start the vehicle until the pedal gets hard, and then you'll be fine. The next video for this car will be, I'm doing the intake manifold gaskets. They're bad. I'm constantly getting some generic codes. I know exactly what it is. And I'm also going to be replacing the injectors, guys. Since I'll be removing the intake, might as well replace the injectors with OEM injectors. And that'll be it. This thing will be perfect then. It'll be every single thing I need to do to this vehicle since I've purchased it. And we should have great brakes now. The back is done. New brakes and the front is done. So if you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of more great videos coming. And hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I do upload new content. With that being said, Terrence and I'm out.